Foundation Solutions of New England was created in 2020 specifically to do crumbling concrete foundation remediation, which is replacing defective concrete. It's helping homeowners to reestablish the value of their house.
People are losing their biggest investment in life to crumbling foundations. For me personally, my home was built in 1995 and I paid 25 years of mortgage payments. Then you wake up one morning and all of a sudden your home is worth nothing, and it's catastrophic.
This is a 6-unit building. It's about 170 feet long by about 35 foot deep. So it's one foundation that has to come out all at one time and be repoured all at the same time. So the biggest challenge is these particular buildings were built with a mid-wall support. That wall has to stay there while we do demolition, which is where the RT40 came in handy to be able to get around that wall for demolition. And then, very specific on this particular job, there's an area in the back of the building that cannot be reached physically by the RT65. So the 40 gets around behind there and cuts way back on labor. The ASV went hand in hand, and after trying it out, a no-brainer. The vision from the cab without all the bars in the way and everything is tremendous. I back into hardly anything anymore. It's just a much better machine to run, more visibility. Again, the comfort level is just, I can run the thing for hours and not have to worry about it. I've had other skid steers, no comparison. Smoothness, the speed, does stuff again that still amazes me. I've never gotten stuck, and I've been in some nasty situations, and it always gets itself out. And again, just being basically a one-man operation does the work of 10 people, so it does everything I need it to do.